Here is how to export files, all the video files, video footage from the DJI Osmo Nano Camera to the SD card that's stored in the multifunctional Vision dock. First, I'm going to swipe down, and that brings up the settings menu, and then we will swipe to the left, and this is the card menu. This is the storage menu. So we can see there are 47 gigabytes left. So I know I've got about 60 gigs worth of footage that's stored on the camera, and it's showing the SD card, which is blank, brand new SD card, and that has 233 gigabytes. So we have two options here. There's storage, where I can format the internal storage or the SD card. The other button is export to SD card. So if I hit export to SD card, I get this warning message saying adjust camera orientation before exporting files to SD card. So it's really particular, it has to be this way round to export footage from the camera. And this is the same if you connect it to a computer. And we have two buttons here, either cancel or export. I'm going to hit export, and it asks me again, export files from internal storage to SD card. I'm going to hit confirm, and it looks as if there are 120 files which it's transferring. If you swipe up, you can see the screen more clearly. It's saying exporting, do not remove SD card or power off camera. And we are currently 3 files into the 120 files that are on the DJI Osmo Nano camera. That's it. Oh, export stopped. 116 files not exported. Check and try again. Transferred 4, I'll hit confirm. Export to SD card. Export files from internal storage to SD card. I'll hit confirm. Export stopped. Now I know the reason why the export has stopped. It's because I renamed the files. When I last connected the camera to the computer, I wanted to make sure that the video files on the camera were labeled, so I changed their file names. I just added some text. I didn't change the numbering, but I did add text to the file names, and that means it won't export from the camera to the SD card. So if you've renamed any files on here, it won't export them to SD card. So I'll hit confirm. There we go. So I've transferred all the footage that I can from the camera to the SD card in the multifunctional Vision dock. I hope this video helps. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep this channel going, so thank you. And right here on screen are all my DJI Osmo Nano videos and sample files and accessories.